Wonderful event. Come on, Key J. Give out a gift I now from one of the sponsors. A very big. Thank all the everybody. Dinner stand on the gold bed stand. Ladies, okay, one thing though. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, wait.
We're here for LAFF MATTAZZ with GBENGA, ADEYINKA, my mom, my brother.
With me here on the red carpet, our elegant, beautiful, amazing Esther. Good evening, Esther.
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
I'm great, and you look so dashing, so gorgeous, so beautiful.
Hey.
Oh, that's a beautiful one, Esther. Thank you for joining me today to have fun.
Oh, everything. Oh, Two-Face. I want to see Two-Face.
Oh, so Two-Face dragged you here.
Yes.
So can you
My
just...
hotel's over there.
Your what?
My hotel is over there.
Oh, wow. So you heard that Two-Face is here. You bought a ticket.
I bought a ticket.
See,
My God, I'm just going to do something that you say, oh, Lagos again, can this happen again?
Lagos again, can this happen again? But we want to receive some. And I want you to meet Rudy Bounty.
AKA YGs.
You
GBENGA ADEYINKA is man of the people.
For the people.
Oh yes, and
By the people.
By the people and for the people. So
I'm here for LAFF MATTAZZ.
What is that? Who is that particular artist that brought you out today?
Tubabai will be in the building.
Just joke.
They want to laugh now, so we need to make them laugh.
Oh, yeah,
no,
now.
so some people that cannot laugh, we tickle them, so they will laugh.
Oh, yeah, now,
But the cocoa is that they are going to laugh.
They are going to laugh. We are celebrities to you. See that our punchline now. He's even giving us the punchline with the swag. Okay, here on my red carpet, I do strictly handsome and beautiful people. And I have this handsome young man who is looking so gorgeous because I think I am falling in love. Did that name ring a bell? That name just, there's earthquake.
How you doing? It's good, man. You look good.
Oh, thank you.
Gold is golden.
Gold is golden. And the silver here is silvering. Good evening. How are you, Michelle?
I'm fine.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Michelle. So what brought you here? Who is that person that you saw?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, so what are you looking forward to today? Are you performing all your
I came for the show. I'm a guest. Yeah.
So who is that person that you saw that made you say, I must call for this GBENGA ADEYINKA 2023?
The stalker.
This is the second person saying the stalker on my red carpet. Of fans more than you can even imagine. So just stay tuned because we are still live here on the red carpet at the GBENGA ADEYINKA the first 2023 LAFF MATTAZZ. This is Lagos. Don't go anywhere because we'll be right back shortly. The one and only. The Indaboski Baose Larry J. Good evening, sir.
That's not me. I'm Larry J, not Indaboski Baose Larry J. I'm not French. That's French.
That's French?
Yeah, it's the French word for...
On to the
next one.
Thank you so much, Larry J.
You're very welcome.
We should look forward to very great punchlines and really funny jokes. GBENGA always brings on the best, so his collage of comedians is going to be awesome.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm here to be entertained. You know, as an entertainer, we entertain people, and sometimes when you're not on the bill to entertain, then you also want to be entertained. So, but we're also human beings. So I'm here to be entertained, and I'm also here
to have fun,
because GBENGA ADEYINKA, the boss, LAFF MATTAZZ. So I'm here to laugh for the matters.
Do you remember? Does it ring a bell?
can I have a dance? Rosie, my friends are watching me. Rosie.
Bringing your vibes. Like imagine me here. Please, are you performing?
No, unfortunately, I'm just a guest, but Jah willing, who knows what will happen next year?
I love that Jah willing.
Yeah, you know.
Jah willing.
Who knows what's going to happen next year?
This is to tell you that if you miss this year's zone, keep your ticket. This is 2023.
This is my friend now. Is my friend, my bosom friend. So we've been a long time together. So if I'm not here for him, I don't fuck up with that. Sorry to use that word. I don't mess up with that. You understand?
So what are you looking forward to in the hub? Because it started already. The program has started.
LAFF MATTAZZ with GBENGA Friends tour. Southwest has been for 30 years now running. That's from 2010, if I'm not mistaken. So you can only get the best. So tonight here because you're not here, because I don't think you can meet up now. You're not here, you missed. But you can catch up with us on our platforms, on YouTube, ADEYINKA on YouTube, Instagram, and all those other handles. So.
LAFF Mattazz 2023 here at the Balmoral Hall VI, and I have with me our one and only rugged D Baba. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Choma, right?
Yes, my name is Choma.
Nice to meet you. What's good?
I'm good. I'm not the Davido's Choma. This Choma is single.
And I am unlike Davido. I am available. You must still see me.
Okay, good evening, sir. You're looking good.
Thank you. Thank God. It's life.
So what should we expect from you tonight?
Me? Yeah, I'm just going to take you guys down memory lane. I wish I could do some of the... I have some new songs coming out. I have a new album coming out, but next year.
Hi, my name is Christopher Tunde Ekumola, and I want to give a special shout out to Martina and also Mr. GBENGA ADEYINKA D1st for this wonderful gift. Yes, we did a competition on stage for like about 6 guys, and I came out victorious as #1. So I want to appreciate this brand for the good deed they've been doing for every Nigerian. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you, God bless the company, God bless everything you do in Jesus' mighty name.